Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you 6 very useful formulas. 3 are from the count range and the another 3 are from sum range. So let us see which are those formulas. So the first one which we have is count. So count is used to calculate, count the number of numeric values. So if suppose I want to calculate the total number of records in column quantity, then I specify that column here and I've got 19, so there are 19 such records. So if I want to apply filter to this column, like suppose I want to specify a quantity, suppose greater than 50 or maybe 100, then in that case I will have to use the function CountIf. So let us see how CountIf works. So CountIf, the first criteria is range. The first parameter is range. So I've selected that column quantity, and the second one is criteria or the filter which you want to apply. Suppose quantity greater than 50. Okay, so there are 8 such records which have quantity greater than 50. Okay, so if I want to specify multiple filters, then in that case I will have to use CountIfs, because in CountIf you can only apply one filter. So let us see how CountIf works. So CountIfs, and the first parameter is criteria range 1. So let us select that same column quantity and specify the filter as quantity greater than 70. Okay, so the next criteria, here you can specify multiple criteria. Suppose the next criteria which we do is, suppose city is equal to, suppose Boston. Suppose if you apply one more criteria which is region is equal to west. So there are no such column which specify all of these criteria. So I'm changing the criteria and I'm changing region to east. Okay, so we have got 3 here now. So let us see if that number is correct. Just in case you're wondering how I am applying filter, then I'm using the shortcut Control Shift and L. Okay, so the first criteria which we have is column C, that is column F, which is quantity greater than 70, then column C, city is Boston, and then column D, region is east. So let us see if we get this 3. Number filters greater than 70 specified, then city Boston, and the one is region east. So this is the column. So yeah, we have 3 records, so that means our formula is correct. Let us move to another set of formulas from sum range. So the first one which we have is sum. Sum is used to add up the numeric values from the column that you specify. So here I have specified this column F. You can also verify it from here. You can see the sum as 1077, so that is correct. And if you want to apply a filter to this column, then you can use SumIf, same like you did for CountIf. And another one is SumIfs. If you want to apply multiple filter, then you will have to use SumIfs. I'll quickly show you how SumIf works, and then we can move to SumIfs. SumIf, suppose range is the column where you want to in which you want to apply the filter. So I've selected that column, then criteria. The next one is criteria. So I'll specify the criteria, suppose greater than maybe 50. The next up which we have is sum range. So if suppose I only want to sum up the quantities which have greater than 50, but the column I want to sum up is unit price, which is the third column, sum range. So let us see if that is correct. So we have got 18.87. So let us check. So I only want to select the values which are greater than 50. And what was the other filter? Okay, the another filter was I wanted to sum up the column unit price. So let us see if that is correct. So I've got here sum 18.87, which is exactly what I had there. that means our formula is correct. So the next one is SumIfs. Here you can specify multiple criteria, exactly same like CountIf. Just CountIf can like counts the number of records, whereas SumIfs sums up the records. SumIfs, the first criteria is sum range. So here I suppose want to sum up the values based on unit price, the same column, and my criteria has to be suppose city I'm specifying New York, and the second criteria which I have is suppose category, and I'm specifying categories as suppose cookies. Okay, so I've got 1.87 and let us verify if that is correct. So city, New York, and category. Oh, you can directly see here there's only one record for cookies and the unit price is 1.87, which is exactly what we got. So that means our formula is correct. So okay, so that's how CountIfs and SumIfs work. And thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you in the next video soon. Thank you.